In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the 54-inch snowblower, and this is going on my 2021 John Deere 2025R. This bracket and drive shaft, and I usually just keep it all together in one piece, and it's got this plug-in which will go right here, and that's when you're having auger engaged and you hit reverse, it doesn't stop the PTO from running. But first we have to remove this bracket. I have a lawnmower deck that's removed, and this part of the lawnmower deck gets put in here. It's well, no longer on, so that has to come off, and all you have to do is remove that shaft and it comes right out, and I'll show you that right now. Let's remove this pin, then we gotta take the shaft out. This comes right out. That just slides right out of there. I got the part that connects to the frame with the drive shaft and position, so right now, hard to do one-handed, and take this out. Then you have to lift this so this section goes into here, and then you will take this and slide it through here. And let me get the camera in a better position so you can see me do that. That, take this, lift this up, and this goes right through here. And then put that back in on the other side. Okay, that's done. Next, we gotta connect the drive shaft. And that just slides over. And that just locks right in. We have to put this hydraulic unit on the front. So what you have to do is you lift it up. This bar goes into this channel right here. So you're just lifting it up and over. And then these pins will get secured in right here. So let me show you that. Then you engage these. This actually was plugged in here. It's really just there for, you know, for no contamination when you're not using this. So just pull this back, that comes out, they just snap together, and you're done. As you can see, I ran the hydraulic lines through here and then through this loom, and they're red and blue, so all I gotta do now is just plug them into the corresponding outlets. Okay, that's that. And that stuff's done. So before I lift that up, I usually like to get this out of the way and get the drive shaft at least, I don't know if I can pick this up. I'll have to do that off camera. It's too hard to do one-handed. Okay, let me show you the install. So before I get this all the way off the ground, I'm just going to get this to engage very lightly. Then I'll release these pins so they can snap in. And hopefully you heard that they snapped in. Now I've taken the hoses from the blower and just ran them through here, here, and here. And all I have to do now is just plug those back in. Alright, I'm done. The part I tried filming for connecting the other hose fittings, now my camera puked out, so I'm sorry about that. Well, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the video. That would be greatly appreciated. And okay, that's it for now.